Ano nakalagay? Francisco Reyes.
Ay, mga di ko picture. Na.
Saka lang. Ano ka dun?
May kasama pa ka rin.
Ayaw niyo dito?
Kayo ni Papa mo dito.
Ayoko dito.
Kayo ni Papa mo dyan.
Ano dito?
Ba't mo yan dyan natin, oh?
Hi.
I like this. I like it.
Naiwan ko to.
Sabi. 1. Sabi dyan ka, L. 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So, Kael, dun ka dali. Dun ka sa gitna, Mikael. Wag na.
Mamaya na.
Follow kuya, follow kuya.
Nababat? Ano mo pa prepare na lang ito? Ano mo magpapal na lang?
Hala.
Opo.
Okay.
Kindly wear life jacket po.
You mean a houseboat? Did you mean a floating boat in the sea?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Also po, we offer free early pickup din po. So when we arrive,
Right.
Basa ka, Mikael.
Ah!
Basa ka?
No!
Yan yung lake malapit na dyan.
Hello po. Good morning.
There's the crowns down.
Sa patay.
May compliments.
I'm gonna bring this home.
Good morning.
This is Miss Mariel. Wow. Hello po. Welcome aboard the Ballin Houseboat. By the way, we prepared 5 welcome drinks for you. So, pati si Baby meron.
Thank you po.
So, by the
Hi, Kel.
Hi, I'm eating cheese. I'm eating Tatagan seaweed. It's very good.
Maganda yung kuha ko ata sa'yo, te. Nasabay ko ako sa'yo.
Baka hindi mo pinili.
Ikaw pinili ko yun.
Hindi sa pusip.
Cut ko na to.
ako nakahawak, yari ka. Ako yung nakahawak.
Ito yung gamit natin.
Wala.
Yan na. Tanda na po.
What's up?
And I have an umbrella. A small one.
How's your swimming in the sea?
We're gonna go home na.
No, yet.
You gotta go home na.
Why?
We can spend 3
Summer.
days.
Ha?
We spend 3 days here.
We're gonna spend it. Oh, wow.
No, not
Only
it.
2 days.
Only 2 days. 2 nights, 3 days.
Tama naman siya. Wow.
Okay naman.
Pumunta lang tayo muna. Nakatawa pa tayo, ha?
Bye, cafe.
Say bye-bye to the cafe. Kasi magkakatabi. Yeah.
I'm not gonna swim to the ocean this time because it's deep.
Dito ka natitira.
You gotta stay here
Forever.
forever. Forever naman daw.
Not forever. Only I've been here since it's ow!
Mauna muna tita kasi.
Sige na.
Okay.
Baka na. Ayaw mo ba?
Kaya mo ba? Baka malagyan ka. Sayabang mo rin.
Ako na muna.
Careful po.
Thank you po. Kain pa.
Okay po, first, you have outside shower, but any soap or shampoo is not allowed to because direct to the living room. Then a coffee machine. If you want to order a coffee pads, just go to the restaurant and we can deliver here.
Okay.
And this one now, sir. If you want to make a drink, just keep here.
Okay.
And do not disturb the stove.
Okay.
And to that corner, you have a restaurant menu, Lagulat, and the suggested places.
Okay.
Okay.
Sit to your room.
I like this.
Fridge here and bottled water for one time only. Then the safety box, also the key for your door po is here. And a medicine kit. And this is your phone to your room. If you need anything po or want to go to the restaurant, just call or chat to the front office using WhatsApp po.
Ay, bawal
Alright.
sapatos dito.
Okay.
This one po.
It's
And if you want to order po,
this,
this one po. Also, you have a Wi-Fi here, Starlink, no password. Thank you po. You're welcome. And to your bathroom.
Thank you.
Science cozy.
Then to your shower, ma'am, you have hot and cold shower and the body wash and shampoo. You can use your shampoo here na po.
Alright.
Yes, for the hot shower, just wait to 3 to 5 minutes before the water is
Okay po.
enter your toilet. I will
Alright.
teach you how to use it.
Okay.
This one, just put it up here.
Once lang po.
And then back.
Okay.
And then 3 flush po yan siya.
Okay. 3 flashes.
Then, no toilet paper po, only in trash.
Hi guys. Where are we?
Hi. Hi. I'm exhausted.
It's also too.
We like
Here,
some
you're
cup of tea from the cafe.
You want some cup of tea?
From the cafe.
Let's go take a picture.
Okay.
What's that?
Roar.
Roar. Where's your house, baby?
Jayay! Okay, masyagawang paano ko mabaga. Doon sa malayo.
Hello, Mikael! Bye-bye! Ang itim, nakakatakot pag malalim na. Ay! Naku, magalaw-galaw pa.
tayo pupunta? Anong meron dito? Dito ba tayo galing? Ha? Ah, oo, yung restaurant. Eh, dito mababaw. Oh, wala na. Sa pollen pala lahat yan. No? Oo, ganun lang. Ito yung Twin Lakes. Saan? Oh, ba't pupunta pa tayo doon? Oh, malalim na naman dito, oh. Huwag na dito, City. Natatakot man ako. Ayoko dito.
Ano matakot?
Eh. Oh, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Ayoko dito. Ibalik mo na kasi. May harang nga eh. Huwag na tayo doon. Mamaya may buhaya pa doon eh.
Tayo.
Eh.
Walang muna pa mo. Ayaw nga, makabalay-lay.
Ano ba naman kasi ito? Nakakatakot yung ginawa mo sa akin. Ayun na, tignan mo, maalo, no?
throw this to the river to see if there's any fish.
What's that ba? Gonna feed.
Fish, eat it!
Where's the fish?
I
You
feed
throw
it
the bed?
with the tinapay, with the burger.
Where ba? You have to ano it.
Ako, may order mo naman eh.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
I tell you. You love it.
Huwag mong palapitin niya may diyang gabi na.
Naubos na. Oh.
Takloban mo na lang yung pagkain mo. Mikel!
Slowly, baka malaglag ka dyan.
Then, that's all it. May little fishes tomorrow naman.
You're eating it.
Gutom sila. There.
Tatakloban mo muna